Welcome to Peoria Connections, and joining me on the show today is Steve Dalmeida from Senior Market, located in Sun City. Steve, Senior Market is a new opportunity for you and your wife to really serve the growing senior community in this area. So tell us a little bit about your store and what makes it different.
Right, my wife Jody and I, and she wanted to be here today, but she couldn't, but I represent us both. Anyway, Senior Market is something we've been thinking about for a long time. We both come from healthcare backgrounds, and we decided we had the entrepreneur spirit, so we wanted to start something of our own.
Sure.
And with our healthcare background, we wanted to have a medical store, but we knew we wanted to go beyond the medical. So if you came in our store, you would see we have more than just medical products. We also have items that are of interest to seniors, like bingo supplies, puzzles, and games, and things like that. But the idea behind Senior Market, we didn't want to get pigeonholed into the medical realm.
Sure.
We're much more than that, and that's where we're trying to get out.
So you do have some medical supplies, and by the way, you were telling me before the interview, you're a registered nurse.
Right, I'm a registered nurse. My wife, Jody, is a certified nursing assistant.
So you've got a long experience in healthcare that really kind of led you to this
Right, I've
point?
been in healthcare for 20 years, and the last 13 has been in home care, where we actually
wow.
go out into people's homes after they've been out of the hospital, so helping them get adjusted.
And you really have a good understanding of what people are looking for.
I like to think I do, but I'm
Yeah.
finding that since we opened our doors, people have new ideas and what they really need. And that's what we're trying to do, is have a personalized type of service.
That's great. So with the changes in our healthcare system, what are some of the things that you see you'll be able to meet the needs of the growing aging population with?
Well, there's a couple challenges there, because we know the aging population has put a stress on the healthcare system. But one thing that has really been lost is the personal service, and it's by no fault of healthcare workers. It's just the stress and the cost has, the staffing size and the pressures with that. So we're trying to bring back a time when you had personalized service. You come into our store, you're going to be greeted, and we're going to talk to you about all, what's of interest to you, and meet your needs, and what can we do to help you. It's more of a service as well as our retail store.
As opposed to calling an 800 number or talking to someone you don't know.
Right.
They're going to get to know you as they come into your store.
Right, we can know people as a person, and that's what we're about.
Great. So what can customers expect to see? Now we're going to show some photos of the store, but when they come in, what do the colors look like? What's the look and feel of the store?
Right, when you come in, it's going to be nothing like you expected, because my wife, she is the interior decorator, so she chose the colors.
Great.
And we have a lot of photos, large prints around the store of say, old movie stars and John Wayne and things like that,
cool.
to take you back to the time. And the music is, back of the Rat Pack era and so forth. So it's fun. It's a very warm, inviting ambience that we try to set.
Great. So where are you located, and what are your hours?
We're in the heart of Sun City, off of Grand Avenue and 107th, right next to Fry's grocery store and across from Nino's restaurant.
Excellent. And what days are you open, and what hours?
We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, and on Saturdays we're 9 to noon, and we're closed on Sunday.
Great. Steve, thanks for joining me on the show today.
Thank you for your time.
Thanks for watching Peoria Connections.